Yo, what's up, everybody? I just wanted to open this box with y'all. This is my my first look at my new formula and packaging for Manhattan Gray. So I ain't gonna do a whole bunch of talking. I just want to open this box with y'all, talk about the progress that I've made with Manhattan Gray, and we can all do it together. So I'm not gonna edit this video or nothing. I'm just gonna do it. We're gonna experience it together for the first time. All right, let's go. All right, so a couple quick updates. I switched up my manufacturer and I have a new manufacturer, but I have a new formula as well. We designed a new box, so this is the new design for the box. We have a messaging on the side as well. All natural moisturizer for gray hair, pomade for gray hair. Have a barcode, so it's official, with my contact information. And then have the message about our business and why this mission is important to us. So the mission is our mission is to inspire men and women to embrace their gray and confidence as a sign of uniqueness and individuality. And then we have the watermark at the top. It's wrapped in plastic, which is really dope. I think that's fire. I'm gonna open one to actually get to the whole experience. I think the plastic is kind of dope. I ain't gonna hold it. It's a shinier box. I had a choice between matte black and shiny box, so I went with the shiny box. I don't know why, I just kind of went with it because it looked cool. Open like that. Flaps. Has a little protective, I guess, another flap, I guess. And then this is the actual pomade itself. What I'm gonna end up doing is updating the label over time, but definitely wanted to show you guys the label, instructions, that's the ingredients and everything like that, the contact information. But most importantly, see what the actual formula look like. Wanted to upgrade it. I know I got a lot of feedback about the petroleum being in it, so I wanted to update that. Has a seal. And then, now there's still a petroleum percentage in here, but we also added beeswax. So the actual consistency changed a little bit. It's more of a true pomade, if you will, like that. But yeah, man, I'm super excited about this. This is definitely progress. This shit was just an idea at one point, and the fact that it's living, breathing, sitting in front of my face is crazy. I have a lot of back orders to fill for Cyber Monday. I appreciate y'all support, and thank you, man. This is dope, man. I'm really happy, man. I'm gonna take myself out to dinner tonight, do something for myself, because I thought that was slick. But yeah. Manhattan Gray, we got a new box. We on deck, all right?